This is Dr. David Seji at Momentum Chiropractic in San Luis Obispo, and today we're going to talk about shoulder pain. Now, what is shoulder pain? What controls it? What could be causing it? A lot of the times people will come in with shoulder pain and it's a deeper problem than we think. We have to do a very careful exam and find out exactly what's going on, because your shoulder is made up of several things. It's made up of primarily three main bones: your collarbone, your actual arm bone, and then your shoulder blade in the back. And this is all hanging on your rib cage. So your shoulder blade has to move over your rib cage and come winding around. And if it's getting stuck by a rib in the back or by your mid back, that can lock your shoulder and push it forward, and it starts to rotate and cause problems. On top of that, we need to keep the shoulder inside the joint properly. It's being held there by your muscles. And if the muscles can't properly pull it back, then we need to work on that and make sure we get the joint positioned properly so the muscles can balance. And then on top of that, we have your nerves, the electrical wires that are running all these muscles and making them work in the first place. They all stem from the neck. Think of them like a hose. If the hose is getting kinked and you're experiencing an issue with the grass and it's starting to die, which you'll start to see problems with pain or issues with weakness or tingling or numbness, that's a sign that the hose is kinked further up. And we need to fix that kink, which tends to be coming from the neck. So we definitely need to do evaluation, maybe get some x-rays, see what's going on, what's causing the problem. That way we can get your shoulder functioning properly, get you as strong as possible so you can do all the things you love doing and get you feeling your best.